Hello beautiful people, welcome to Yard Abroad with Erica. And so guys, today, welcome to the channel. Pray that you all are doing well. And how are you guys doing today? So guys, my Facebook fan, welcome back to that page. And so guys, I'm gonna do some wings today for my husband lunch. So the chicken wings is already washed with vinegar. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put everything in this pot, this heavy duty frying pan. So I'm gonna put everything in here, season it in the pot. Yeah, I'm gonna season the pot. So guys, thank you so much for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for the comment and for engaging on the channel. Guys, I appreciate your you helping to support the channel. It's for helping to support the page, Facebook page. Guys, I can't remember the Facebook page, because it's a new page. So I'll try to remember, but not today. So guys, the first thing, I already pick off all the little feathers. Sometimes you get your wings, they have feathers on it. I pick off the feathers and I cut them. See, I make a slice so the season can go into the wings. So the first thing, I'm going to put some homemade orange peel powder. So this is orange peel, guys. I make my own orange peel powder. I'm gonna put some all-purpose seasoning. Yes guys, I'm trying not to put too much. I have a ton of stuff. I'm gonna put some chives, some homemade chives powder. Yep. Thyme, homemade thyme powder. Some parsley, homemade dry parsley. So I make all these powder myself. So I don't want to get it too. Garlic and herb. This one is not salty. So this is not salty. So work out fine. A little bit. Ooh, all-purpose seasoning. Why am I putting two different? Alright, some onion powder. Yes guys, some onion powder. I want this to come out nice for the husband, guys. Some ginger powder. Yes, ginger powder. There you go, to bring out the taste. I'm gonna put some jerk sauce with a little bit of taste, like a jerk sauce, like so. Not to put too much because I don't want it too spicy. I'm gonna put some homemade annatto oil, infused annatto oil, to give it a nice color. And I'm gonna put all of this stuff in the air fryer, guys. So I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce. Not too much. Okay guys, I forget to get a glove, so hold on, because I don't, hold on. Alright guys, so let's get my gloves. This cast iron is very good, guys. So when you put food in this cast iron, it holds the heat. So make sure you're rubbing in. Rub all the seasoning in. Air fryer is already, the oven is already on, because the air fryer is on the oven. So all the seasoning, the reason why I'm doing it in the cast iron, guys, because I want to keep all the seasoning in the pot. So that's why I do it in the cast iron pot, and that's why I season it up in the pot, guys. So all the seasoning will stay in the pot, and I'm flush, see. So that's what you get. That's nice, right guys? Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in the oven because the oven is already hot. So let's put it in the oven, guys. Alright guys, so let's take this to the oven. Right there in the oven. Alright guys, I'll see you guys a little bit later. Okay guys, so I have some lettuce. They are, they came in the pack, so I already washed them. So some of them start to turn red. So I'm gonna go through and pick off the part that is turning red. So like the bone part, the middle piece right here, because they already cut that part, so I always take that off. So the part that turned red already, turning red, I'm picking them off. I have carrots in here. So this is a healthy salad, guys. So some of them turning red. I'm gonna pick out the one that's turning red. So we're gonna make, after making the wings, we're gonna have some of this with the wings and leave the rest for dinner. And later I'm gonna make some fish head, guys. For those of us who don't eat fish head, you're missing something. I know it's pear bone. It's pear bone, right? But it's still nice to crunch on. This one have red on it. Red. So I just pick off the mucky part, guys, because when they cut them, I guess they start to turn red from where they cut them. So I just picking off this part. The one that looks red, I'm gonna pick it off. See, one and two of them red. The part that they cut, like the bone part of it, the lettuce is red. The leaf is okay, so I'm just cutting off those parts. Picking off that part. Not cutting, picking, guys, picking off. My air fryer going, guys, the air fryer. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. Put your notification bell on, so when I upload a video, you will get it, guys. And guys, when you see the video pop on your page, please support the page, guys. Support the page. Listen, just run your video, guys. Just make your phone play, you know, and watch the video. Because you never know, you might learn something new. Never too old to new, learn something new. Yes, guys. So I'm making sure I pick off everything that I don't want. Pick out the bone part. Pick out the cabbage. I need the cabbage. I like these red cabbage. Make your salad look so nice. I don't really buy bag lettuce, packet lettuce, but because I got them from Pantry All. For those of you who watching my Pantry All videos, I got them from the pantry, and that's why I have it. I don't really buy them, but because I get them free, I'm gonna make use of it. Alright, that one is nice. See there? I'm gonna put the carrots in here. Make 2 big bowl of salad, guys. My son is home, but he doesn't eat salad. So this is for lunch. Whatever left over will go with dinner. Alright, guys, I will be back. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna put some cucumber. These are baby cucumber, guys, so I don't take off the skin. Sometimes I do, but by the time I take off the skin, I don't have much left. By the big ones, I take off the skin. This cucumber doesn't have any seed. Nice and crunchy, guys. So this salad I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna use this salad for lunch and also dinner. I'm not mixing them together, guys. I'm just put the cucumber on top, the pepper, tomato. So guys, if you're still watching the video, please follow the page and subscribe to the channel. the notification bell on, guys, so when I upload videos you will get them. Jamaican style cooking, guys. That Jamaican style cooking, I think, is on Facebook. I can't remember the Facebook page now. So I think it's that Jamaican style cooking. So guys, this is not cutting them too small. Guys, I love to eat green salad. I like vegetables, raw vegetables. Sometimes I eat string bean, guys. I just like I plant string bean in my garden. This is a tomato from my garden. I just pick it, eat it just so. This is a tomato that I got from my garden, the first tomato from my garden. Yes, man. Whew, guys, it's hot. So that's it right there. This one is soft. Tomato soft, guys. Right there. So that's it. Salad for lunch. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Nice. Very pretty. Alright, guys, so while we wait on the chicken to fry in the air fryer, I'll see you back, guys, when the chicken is finished. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna put some mozzarella cheese. I'm not mixing it up, guys. Okay, guys, so there you go. Air fry wings, and I had a piece of chicken breast in my fridge. So I just put it in here to warm it up just as well.